Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Washington Boulevard and we are driving out of the city of Kingston. Now Washington Boulevard is in the parish of St. Andrew, but remember the city of Kingston is different from the parish of Kingston. So the city of Kingston includes places in the parish of St. Andrew and the parish of Kingston. So the city is in both parishes basically. So we're driving out of the city of Kingston now. And the boundary or the city limits is at 6 miles, which is right where in the ferry location where we get on. It's the boundary somewhere on Mandela Highway. Okay, on the right is the Boulevard Super Center. Also, if we turn right here, we go into the Pembroke Hall area, which is a very large community. As you can see, this road has traffic on it almost all the time. It's the main road people take to drive out of the city. So it's a very busy road. As you can see, it's 6 lanes. If you turn right here, you go into the Patrick City area or the Patrick Gardens area. Remember, the city of Kingston is the capital of Jamaica. It has almost 1 million people living in it. And as the capital, you have a lot of persons coming in for work, to work in the city. And you have, outside of the city now, the largest populations in Jamaica are found in Portmore and Spanish Town. And if you're leaving from Portmore and Spanish Town to come into the city, this is probably the main road you would take. There are other roads, but this one is the main road, the main route you would take. Similarly, if you're leaving the city, this is the main road you would take. Also, Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica, and this road is one of the 2 roads that lead into Mandela Highway when you're leaving the city. Okay, at this intersection, you turn left, you go into Corville Gardens. You turn right, you go into the Dehaney Park area. not sure if this barricade is intentionally put here to block the lane, or if it just accidentally. I don't know. I can't imagine why they would block the road right here though. No, it looks like it's intentional. Oh, the manhole is open. Okay, because they have that metal thing in the barricade to keep it in place. There is a hole in the road, and they use a barricade to cover it so that nobody drops in the hole by accident. Alright, so straight ahead now is the intersection of Washington Boulevard with Mandela Highway and Spanish Town Road. If we go straight, we go on to Mandela Highway. We turn left, we go on to Spanish Town Road. Not sure what's going on over there. Alright, so we're now going on to Spanish Town Road. Now, Spanish Town Road is a very busy road because it leads you from Mandela Highway to downtown Kingston, and you have a lot of business places on this road. Also, if you're going from say Spanish Town, Portmore, Mandela Highway to the wharf, the Kingston Wharf, this is the location. This is the road you would take. So on the left is the Petcom, and they operate the Petcom gas stations. Also, you have the JPS office there on the left. On the right is a lot of locations that deal with the scrap metal. On the right is the Riverton area, where you have the Riverton dump. Or I'm not sure if the curb is the Riverton dump or it's a Riverton landfill, but persons just refer to it as a Riverton dump. On the left is Tankwell. On the left is a tire warehouse, and they are the largest supplier of tires in Jamaica. They have locations all over Jamaica. On the left is IGL, which is a gas company. They sell the cooking gas and those kind of things. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.